Okay, I will be guiding us through the practical steps, step by step, on how you can use Microsoft Word to create a stunning graphics in designing certificates. In this video, that's what we'll be focusing on, to design a very stunning certificate that you can issue your awardees, students, and the like. So let's go straight into that. This is Microsoft Word. You launch into your Microsoft Word. Then the first thing you do is to set your paper size. Set your paper size. So you go straight to layout. I'm using Office 2021. You go straight to your layout tab. On the layout tab, you come to your paper size. You click on the paper size and then go to A5. You select A5. Select A5. Then after that, you go to your orientation. Once after the orientation, select landscape. Select landscape. If you want it to be portrait, is your choice, but in this video we'll be using a landscape format. Then after that, I will go to my margin, and on this margin I will go to custom margin. Each that I will make the margin to be 0. Each of the margin I will put it 0 on each. So after that I will say okay. Now that is the first thing we need to do on our page to set up our paper size. Then after that, the next is to start putting in the write-ups, the designs, how you want it to be. So we go to insert. And then we go to shapes. Under shape, we select text box, and here we draw a text box. We are preparing a certificate, so you type in certificate. After that, you can select a font size, a font style. We select a font style. We want to work with this font style. Then increase the size. Let's say increase the size to 72. And after that, you go to your shape format. Then you go to shape format and come to shape fill. There you say no fill. Then come to shape outline. You say no outline. Now I will be in this particular certificate. Let me use the font style. I want to use dark red. So on that I have to get another text box. So underneath it, I will write 2024 awards. 2024 awards. Then I will still make it no fill and then no outline. Go to home, then select I want to select this particular font. So once I select it, I will increase it. I will increase it to 22. Then I will say center alignment. I will take it up close to the certificate. What I will now do here is Ctrl D. I duplicate and then take it up. Take it up here. We are designing certificate templates. So here, whatever the company is, the institution name or the company, I'm going to use company uh, company name. Okay, now I'm going to use that company name. Let me make it bold and okay. All right. Now that is that for this. We want to bring this close. That's my choice. You can leave it like it were before, but I like I like making it like this. So as all right. Now this I will select this hood, come to this, then select that one, select this. So once I do that, I will go to uh the shape format, come to align, and then align center. Align center. Okay. So after that, I will still come here, right click, go to group, and then group the three of them together. So that's so I can move them to anywhere I want them to be. Okay. Now, having done that, the next I will do is I will come to this here and select this particular star. Let me select this 32, this particular star, and then I will draw. So once I draw, go to this yellow icon here, click and move so as to make your star to be in this form. Make it to be in this format. After that, I will want to use I will want to use 1.7. Let me use 1.7 for the size. So as then 1.7. Oh, all right. So after that, I will Control D and then another Control D. I need the three aspect of these shapes uh, for what I'm working on. So here, this one, let me make this one 1.4, and then here 1.4. All right. Then this one, let me make it 1, and then this one 1. Okay. So having done that, I will have to make this one the shape to let me make it this color, and then say no outline, and then let me make this one what will I make it now? Let me make it this color yellow. Let me make it this color yellow, and then no outline, and let me make this one black, and then say no outline. So I will hold Control, select, and then select, come to align, say align middle, and then say align center. So you see that they are aligned properly. Now this one, let me send it to the back so that the red one can come out, the black one rather can come out. So that's sent to the back. I can select this. Let me increase it to 1.2 and then make this one 1.2 as well. All right, and then align center. Let's redo it. Okay, select this, then we say align middle and then align center. All right, now you see what we have there. With that, I can now right click, go to group and say group. They are now the same, so I can move it to this place, and with that I can reduce okay, I can reduce the size and position it here. All right, now that is done. The next I will do is to come here and select this flow chart, then I will draw. Now once I draw that, I will come to this rotate and select 90 so as it to rotate in this form. Now having set it like this, I will come to edit shape. Let me edit it. I will come to edit shape and then select edit point. Now that's, I click here, use this to draw stuff inside. Use this. Okay. All right. This is what you can use so as, okay, now with this you can stretch it out further depending on your choice. So once you have gotten that set, you click out, you click outside, you double click, you duplicate, Control D like this. Okay, now this one I can now make it red, no outline, and then this one I can make it this yellow and no outline. This I can make it black, no outline. All right, now what do I need to do? I just have to move this here, move it here, and say to the back, and then move this here as well. and then send to the back, and click again, send to the back. So we have this. However, I can now still come to the edit point, select edit point. I can edit this further. Okay, that's okay by me. I can click on this one, come to edit points. Okay, edit points. So this yellow one I will edit as well. However, that's the first one I ought to do first. That's the one I ought to do first. But my bad. I will have to do that again, this one again. So I come to edit points and then do this. Okay, now having gotten this, what I will do now is I will click out. I will select this, hold Control, come to this, select, hold Control, come to this, select, hold Control, then go to align to the top, both of them to be at the same stuff, and then right click and go and group. So I have grouped all the three. What I can do now is I can increase them. I can drag them up. Okay. I can drag this backward. That's on that. Now we get our text box. Here we put 2024. Select our font, increase it, can reduce it. We go to this and we say no fill, no outline. We can take it to this place. We come to the text and we select white. Then we can duplicate, Control D, and we place it below. Then we can put awards. Can reduce the font size. Select the shape, reduce the font, and we can increase this so that's all right. There we can make it center line. Okay. Now this, after that, we still come to insert, go to shape, and we can select this shape, the plate shape, and then we draw. Then we draw. The same way we say no outline, and then come to shape fill, select this red. So we are going to go to this place, get this right up. This certificate is presented by, and we copy Control C. We draw a text box that we want to use to place that inside. That text box, we Control V. Control V. From here, we can increase it. And then go to shape format, say no outline, no fill rather than no outline. Then we take it into this shape. We place it right into the shape and then select white. So that is that we can click this, hold Control, select this, then right click, go to group, and we group. All right, now that settles that. The next thing we do is to come to this place and we draw line. We draw line. Okay, hold your shift so as to ensure that the line is a straight line. You hold your shift. Then you make it black. You make it black. Okay, then after that you draw your text box. You draw your text box. Make the text box no fill and then no outline. So here we can come here and select this. We copy, come back to this, and then we paste. What we do here is okay. Now let's align this. All right, it's already there. Can come here and okay, it's already there. Then we can now come here, increase it in size, select our fonts, can select this. Okay, we can select this one as well. Can move it down. Okay, with that I hold Control, select this line. Once I get it, I select my cursor will be that, and then I right click, go to group and group. Now that is what I have. Let me click any of these, go to get my text box, and then underneath it I have something like this. Then I can, let me put in just a write-up. This write-up is gotten with a short key equals to problem. So if, all right, now on this I paste it. Let me go to my home and then remove spacing. Then justify. Okay. Now this is what we have. I will come here and say no fill, no outline. Okay. The next thing we will do is to put in our date and signature. So we come to insert and then select text box. Put in dates. Come to my shape fill, no fill, no outline. And then I move it, bring it forward. I'll go to pick my line shape and then draw. So once I got that correct, I'll select black, move it down, hold Control, select this one as well, right click and say group. So that I can duplicate, Control D, and then move it to this side. Select this, go to shape, align top. That will be on the same side. So the next thing I will do is to come to this one, remove the signature. Let me expand it. Remove the date rather and insert signature. So with that I can increase it here. All right, that's what we have. Then I can come here, draw another text box. Then inside the text box, I can go to, I go to insert rather, come to date and time, select the format of date I want, and then boom, it's inside there. I can place it where I want it to be, and then come to shape fill, no outline. Of course, I can increase it. I can increase that. And then center align. Okay, we almost done. So the next thing I will do is to put in the logo. To put in the company logo, I will use a kind of logo. Now, let's say I use this. All right. Now, let me come here and make it 1.1. This 1.1. I hit enter. And then Control D. I will make it 0.9. And then this 1.9. Okay, I Control D. Point 9. 0.9. Enter. Okay, now I've gotten that, so I can select. Okay, let me first make this one red. Yeah. Remove that line. All right. Having made this one red, this one I will click on it, go to shape, format, come to shape fill, go to my pictures, go to from file. Let's say I select this, and then that enters there. We say no outline. So with that, what I will do here is I will hold Control, select this, and then come to align, align middle, align center. Now this is now what I have. This is now what I have. I can now right click, group. All right. Awesome. We have this. All right, now this is what we have. And here we go, being able to design a wonderful certificate. You can choose any design of your choice. You can choose any design of your choice. Thank you for stopping by. Please, if this is something you love, I will appreciate you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and share with your friends so as to keep on reaching many persons, so as to keep on helping to reach as many as possible. Thank you.